How do you fix Steam tools not working? I know it's one of the most annoying issues, right? Where everything looks fine, but nothing actually works. Let's try to fix that. First, restart Steam properly. Close it completely, then open Steam again. It sounds basic, but it fixes a lot of bugs instantly. Next, you can try to run Steam as an administrator. So right click and then run as admin. This gives Steam full permission, especially if tools won't launch or install. Now check your game files. Go to library, right click the game, properties, installed files, and then verify integrity. If something's broken, Steam will automatically fix it. If it's still not working, clear download cache. Go to settings, downloads, and then clear cache. This resets stock or corrupted tools downloaded. Another common issue is outdated Steam client. So you can go to Steam and then check for updates. If your version is old, tools can glitch or refuse to open. So our last fix is reinstalling the tool itself. Go to library and then tools, uninstall the tool, and then just install it again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.